Hi! In front of me is NUBIA Red Magic 8 Pro, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Advanced Settings. Then select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Manage On-Screen Keyboards. Now, after tapping on the keyboard, select Text Correction section. As you can see, all typing options are over here. To manage them, tap on the switchers next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!